If you're looking for a cool little bell idea for your electric bike or related e-bike, this Knog OI Classic, it's an Australian company. They're about $30 on Amazon, multiple different colors. It has a strike metal plate, so it runs like a chime, where when you give it, it has a nice tone. You can hear it for a long period of time from a long distance away. Unlike a traditional bell like this, where you got that, this takes up a lot of room and it makes noise while you're moving. This one does not. It doesn't get in the way of your handlebar or your grip, and it's real easy to hit. You can mount it. You could actually mute it if you wanted to, like, so you can let it go or mute. Pretty neat accessory, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. They have the brushed copper, they have black, and again, very affordable option, running at about $35.